Good morning, one and all, for the class. Today we are going to continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 7, Introduction to Photoshop. Cropping an image. To crop means to remove the unwanted areas of an image. The steps to crop are: open the image, click on the crop tool in the tools panel. The shape of the mouse pointer changes into a crop tool cursor. Now you have to place the mouse pointer on the image and click and drag it to a rectangle area that you wanted to keep. Release the mouse button. The crop marquee appears with handles on the corners and sides. Double click inside the marquee to crop away the portion that you have not selected. Painting tools. Adobe Photoshop provides us with different painting tools such as brush tool, pencil tool, color replacement tool, history tool, gradient tool, paint bucket tool, etc. Today we are going to discuss some of the tools in this chapter. Brush tool. The brush tool works like an ordinary brush and creates a smooth stroke of color. The steps to use the brush tools are: open the image, use any tool to select the white background. Let us use the magic wand tool here. Click on the brush tool in the tools panel. Then, beside the brush command in the option bar, the brush preset picker appears. Click on the brush tool of your choice. Set the foreground color. In the tools panel, the color picker palette appears. Choose the color picker palette and then click on the OK button. Gradient tool. A gradient is a fill consisting of two or more colors blending together. The gradient tool is used to fill a selected area to an entire layer. Open the image. Click the gradient tool in the tools panel. From the option bar, select the gradient type from the linear, radial, angle, reflected and diamond. Click the gradient sample bar in the options bar. The gradient editor box appears. Choose any of the gradients from the preset box or create a new gradient using the gradient bar. Drag and release the mouse in the image. The selected area will be filled with the gradient. Drawing tools. Adobe Photoshop has a collection of drawing tools: rectangle, rounded, rectangle ellipse, polygon, line, custom shape, etc. To draw a shape, for example, say a rectangle, click on the rectangle tool in the tools panel. Select the required tool from the list. Click on the foreground column in the tool panel and then choose the color picker palette. Create new shape layer in the option bar. You can also click on the arrow next to the style and choose a shape style. Drag the mouse with the button pressed to draw the shape. Custom shape tool. Using the custom shape tool, you can draw different shapes other than basic geometrical shape. This tool has a collection of predefined shapes like flowers, moon, arrows, leaves, etc. To draw the shape with the custom shape tool, the steps are: custom shape tool. Click on the arrow beside the shape in the option bar and select the required shape. Now click and drag the mouse to draw the shape. Transforming objects. You can also scale, rotate, skew, distort, and apply a perspective to an image in Photoshop. You can flip the image vertically and horizontally too. The steps are: select the image or the part of an image you want to transform. Select Edit, Transform Scale. Do one of the following according to the option you choose in the Transform menu. Scale. When you position the mouse pointer over the sizing handle, the pointer becomes a double arrow. Drag a sizing handle to change the size. Press the shift key as you drag a corner handle if you want to scale the image proportionally. Rotate. When you place the mouse pointer over a corner handle, it takes the shape of a curved two-sided arrow. Click and drag the handle to rotate the image. Drag a handle to skew the image. Distort. Drag a corner handle to stretch the image. Perspective. Draw a corner handle to apply a perspective to the image. Flip horizontally. It flips the image horizontally. Flip vertically. It flips the image vertically. Press the enter key to apply the transformation. Key terms which we are going to discuss are resolution, number of pixels per inch, color mode, number of colors that can appear in an image, crop, basically to remove the unwanted areas of an image, marquee tool, tools used to select a rectangular, square, elliptical and circular shaped areas of an image. Lasso tools, tools which is used to make a freehand selection of areas in an image. Memory bytes, the options bar is below the menu bar. It displays the different options of the current selected tool. The image window contains the image of an edited. The title bar of an image window displays information about the image that has been opened. To open an existing Photoshop file, select File, Open, and then select the file in the Open dialog box. To create a new file, select File, New. The default foreground color is black and the default background color is white. You can also change the foreground and the background colors using the color picker. To display the color picker palette, click either the foreground or the background color box which is there in the tool panels. Using various marquee tools, you can select a rectangular, square, elliptical or circular areas of an image. You can use the lasso tools to make a freehand selections in an image. You can use the magic wand tool to select adjacent areas of the same color in an image. The gradient tool is used to fill a selected portion or entire layer with transition of one color to another. Photoshop provides a collection of drawing tools like rectangular, rounded rectangular, the ellipse, the polygon, the line custom shape, etc. The custom shape tool, it allows you to draw things other than the basic geometrical shapes. We will end our class here. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.